Need to move money between your Chase checking and savings accounts? If you're not sure how to do it instantly, you're not alone. Today, we're transferring money between Chase accounts in real time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. When you transfer between your own Chase accounts, the money moves immediately with no waiting period. Step 1. Navigate to Transfers. Log into your Chase online banking or mobile app. Go to Pay and Transfer and select Transfer Money. Choose Between My Accounts as the transfer type. Step 2. Select Accounts and Amount. Choose the From and To accounts from your list of Chase accounts. Enter the amount you want to transfer and the date. Choose Now for immediate transfer. Review and submit. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use instant transfers to avoid overdraft fees. If you accidentally overspend from your checking account, you can instantly transfer money from your Chase savings to cover the shortfall immediately, potentially avoiding an overdraft fee. So, just like that, you have complete flexibility with your money across accounts. Instant internal transfers go a long way in managing your cash flow effectively. Now I'm curious, do you regularly transfer money between checking and savings, or do you keep everything in one account? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.